Hi everyone, welcome to Cache Hawks. Can you hear the cicadas? They're so loud. They're typical of a New Zealand summer, so we just have to put up with them, I'm afraid. There are thousands of them here. Today we are going to, or you're going to see two caches and two waterfalls. One in the summer here in New Zealand and one over in the winter of Canada. Our friends Dave and Karen from Cache Canada have challenged us to find a 2001 geocache here in Auckland near a waterfall. So that's what we were going to do, and then we're off to see the Canadian one. So come and join us to see the two waterfalls and the two geocaches. The geocache is located in the Hunua Ranges, about an hour's drive out into the countryside south of Auckland. The cache is along the suspension bridge track. The area is affected by kauri dieback disease that is incurable and fatal to kauri trees. The dieback is caused by a fungus-like microscopic organism. Spores can be carried in soil the size of a pinhead.
Kauri trees are amongst the most ancient in the world. They can live for over 2,000 years, grow over 50 metres tall, and have trunk girths up to 16 metres. This one was a seedling during the life of Christ. At the start of the track is a footwear washing station to help prevent the spread of the disease.
The cache owner no longer lives in New Zealand, and the cache has been maintained by the geocaching community. It started out as an ice cream container and then became a clear plastic one, and now it's back to an ice cream container.
Oh, I think I see it. Oh, it's so hot. Aye. There we are. Oh, it's a nice big container. Pokey pokey, our favourite. Okay, got a nice big log book, that's good. Whistle, good for the traps, little motor car to get out, and a harmonica, a mouth organ, nice for the campfire. Okay, we'll sign the log and we'll put in a little path tag, little kiwi path tag.
Then it was a 10-minute drive through the countryside to visit the Hunua Falls. There's another footwear washing station as you enter and exit the tracks near the falls. The falls are 30 metres or 98 feet tall. The Wairoa River falls over a basalt lava plug of an ancient volcano. A lava plug is created when magma hardens within a vent on an active volcano.
I crossed over to the other side, being careful not to fall in as I was carrying our camera gear. We decided to fly our Mavic Pro drone up to give you a better view of the falls. When the drone was close to the water, I noticed it slowly rising even though I had my hands off the controls. I hurriedly put the drone into reverse.
Then it was time to go for a swim. And Now for Cache Canada's Red Maple 2001 geocache and their Mystery Falls in an Ontario winter, 13,600 k's or 8,550 miles northeast of here.
Hi, I'm London Westy.
I'm Lyric Glass of Cache Canada.
And today we're going on a cache walk for an oldie cache placed in June of 2001.
The geocache that we were after was not far from home. We had looked at it on the map from time to time, but just never went out to get it. Today is the day.
Along the way, we spotted these prints left by wild turkeys. Wild turkeys are becoming more and more plentiful in the area. We did see a large flock this day, but not during this walk.
As we reached the oldie cache, we got a great reward. Wow! We did not expect this. Now I'm actually behind the waterfall. Something you can't do in summer.
It was a really awesome experience. We almost forgot. There was a cache to be found.
Ah, a suspicious pile of logs.
The hint says it's supposed to be in a standing hollow tree, but that was quite a few years ago. I don't think that's standing anymore, and it's...
Who recognizes these?
Look at that.
They're not 649 cards.
Punch cards.
Computer punch cards.
Well, Jay, what do you think?
Pretty cool.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Sarah,
Best part?
these are old computer
The
punch
waterfalls.
cards. Really?
Okay. Yeah, you're a good girl. Yes, you are. Cache found. We did the cache walk back out of the woods.
Thanks for joining us on our Cache Canada Cache Walk.
It was really neat to join GeoRick and his wife Lynn for their cache walk and do a dual 2001 cache discovery. It was really cool.
Thanks a lot.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Well, this brings us to the end of our cache walk. We hope you enjoyed seeing our wonderful summer waterfall and geocache, and also Cache Canada's one in the cold snow of Canada. So thanks for watching.
And don't forget to go geocaching.